A relation, this is lesson 14. A relation is any set of ordered pairs. The relation may be defined as a table. That just means you might see the ordered pairs in a table by a list like this. You might see them by words, input and output. A symbolic rule would be like an equation, or you might see a graph. The domain of a relation is the set of all inputs. In other words, it is the set of the x-coordinates of the relation. The range is the set of all outputs. In other words, it is the set of all y-coordinates for the relation. A function is a relation where each input has exactly one output. In other words, in a function, each x-coordinate has exactly one y-coordinate. It's much easier to think of when you think that x cannot repeat. If x repeats, it's not a function. So x cannot repeat. Y can repeat as many times as it wants to, but x cannot repeat. So classify as a function or a non-function and explain your response. So we look at our inputs: Prince Charles, George Bush, Ted Kennedy, John F. Kennedy. Those are all different. So this is a function. Because x did not repeat. So it is a function. So look at this one. Jill, Amy, David, Greg. This is a function. X did not repeat. Doesn't matter what happened in the y's, as long as x does not repeat. Alright, there's two more. So here, oh look, not a function. X repeated. It's an R. X repeats. 2, 4, 6, 8, all different. So this is a function. X did not repeat. Alright, classify as a function or non-function. Explain your response, and then write the domain and range. Alright, look at the x's. 1, 2, 1. Uh-oh. X repeated, not a function. Because x repeats. Our domain, 1, 2, 1, 3. We can write our domain 1, 2, 3. Don't repeat numbers. The range, 3, negative 4, 5, and 7. Negative 4, 3, 5, 7. So look at this one. Different, 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 different. So this is a function. x does not repeat. So the domain, -3 is the smallest, 1, 2, 5. The range, 4, 4, 6, 7, so 4, 6, 7. Alright, there are 18 first graders in Miss Brown's class. She makes a table. The input is the age of a student. The output is the student's shoe size. Well, if you have 18 first graders, what is the likelihood of some of them have the same age? X is this, and X is age. This is going to repeat, so not a function. Because X repeats. The input is the number of pounds of Stansport barbecue. The output is the cost. So this would be kind of like a menu or something. We're going to input the pounds. That's abbreviation for pounds. And we're going to output the cost. Well, you wouldn't list the pounds more than once to find the cost. So this is a function. X does not repeat. Okay. If you need help on these two, I'll explain them again in class if you just ask me. Or on any of them, not just those two. Shh. If you can draw a vertical line, which is up and down, through any point on the graph of the through more than one point on the graph of relation, then it is not a function. Why? Because it would repeat the x value. For example, here is my coordinate plane. Here is my function on the graph. If I were to take vertical lines and go down through here, see how it touches once here, once here, once here, once here. This is a function. Anywhere I put that vertical line, it's just going to hit once. As opposed to this function, in which if I draw a vertical line, see it crosses here, 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 all of those are going to have the same x values. So this is not a function. This is a function. All right. So here, if we take vertical lines and we go down through here, is it going to cross? Oh, it's black. Is it going to cross more than once? No, so this is a function. this one? Vertical lines, vertical lines, vertical lines. This is a function. Here crosses here and here. That's supposed to be vertical up and down. Crosses here and here. So this is not a function. Vertical line, sorry, it's hard to write on this board. Vertical line, vertical line, vertical line. It's only crossing once, so this is a function. This one. So this is a function. Here, it looks like it is here, but when we get to right here, it crosses 3 times. So this one is not a function. Okay. Now, I'm going to start a new video because this stuff down here is a little bit different than what we've been doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and start a new video.